Alright, we started working on the mower after we went to our friend's house. Came back, we got a little time to mess with it, so we took off the mower deck handles, and now I'm going to go ahead and weld up the exhaust system. My son and I, we decided that we want dual exhaust that's going to come out in front of the rear tires. I think that would look the best. So we're going to go ahead and weld up this pipe here, and then weld this, cut off this here, and then weld this to it, so it'll be like a dual exhaust, homemade, of course. So this is what we came up with as far as dual exhaust, or our little Y pipe. Is that, oops, I got it upside down. There we go. It's going to come off the engine this way and out that way, and then I'm going to have to cut this tip off once I know where that angle is. And this is a bumper for my car. We're just out here practicing some welding, getting my skills back up again. It's been a while since I've done it. And my son, his first time from welding, he's never picked up a welder before. Very first time. A little rough there, and I think this is when he started, and that's when he finished. And he did where he started, and this is how he was finishing up. Now this is a flux core welder, so he's going to do another bumper. This bumper is going to be for his cart, or our cart, his cart, whichever. And I've had this welder for, gosh, years and years, so I thought it'd be a good day to get out here and do some welding and get some practice before we start really welding on the go-kart. So have at it.
Here we go.
Alright, this is as far as we've gotten today. We went ahead and mocked up the dual exhaust. Why not? It's a racing mower. Why not? So we ended up making these angled out in front of the rear tire, one on this side, one on the other side. I ended up welding that up together, and then my son, first time ever welding, like I said in that previous video, that this is how he did. Not too shabby. He might become a welder rather than an electrician. So, which is good too. Yeah, we're not going to use this piece here because it looks really ugly. And we're going to put like a light bar or something there, or we may end up putting two bumpers to kind of fill in the gap right there. But there's the other tailpipe on this side. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.